Hey Logan ania veli fapa felania na thawk na sa bawk thin si vo in chuan a pa nen in te tharan ne ya na an thawk na sa khop ma ya hei hi atrakani hi alian thabur bur ania an an en kol thate mai ania o alian a pa trak ai pon alian zo ka hei alian bur ania diesel among diesel right but there okay explain to me your truck.
Let me explain it.
Okay, what kind and you know how fast, how strong? Nghe han soi tiang te bit te at chak dan te han soi la eng.
It's a Ford F-250.
Uh-huh.
Has like 250 horsepower.
250 horsepower. Avan chak em. Mi zo trong in soi ro bit te.
I don't know how to say that.
Okay, chuan in.
I don't know. You can tow like 12,000 pounds.
Oh, 12,000 pound na ni chu sing khat le sang ni pound sing khat le sang ni. So are these hang here decoration mai mi hita?
Yeah.
Just to look cool?
Yep, they're fake.
So how long you have? Ang zat ngei nei to. Bit there.
How long have I had it?
Yeah.
Coming up on a year now.
Oh, kum khat. Chuan in ang zat man nge kha bit there.
I don't know, like 13,000.
Oh, sing khat le sang thum. And yeah, but that's for what you pay, right?
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
what I bought it for.
Yeah, it's to me zan chuan. So you still owe money?
No.
Oh, okay.
I paid it all.
Okay. So, how fast it can go, boy. And ani, but hey here a truck a himo. Hey he, did you change the tire or that's the original tire?
I changed
Okay.
wheels, tires,
Okay, I thought the
bumper, the mirrors.
you modify.
All the windows are blacked out.
Oh, are you allowed to do that?
Technically no.
Yeah, pala ni lo siya lom bit there.
I also have no front tag.
Tag. Which one?
Huh?
Khoi mo, khoi.
No tag in the front.
Oh.
There's a bullet. That's my antenna.
Oh, bullet. Silai mo ang antenna ni chu hey.
You can't see through the windows.
Okay. Can you show me the show me the inside bit there. At chung han hong lok te ka lo enang. Pui ber ania. Yeah. Okay. So let me go take a look inside. Rim tui mange. 25 bit there fel okay. So how many exact nge om thei ta hian?
5.
Mi panga chuan thei ni. Chuan in tell me it can pull a house, right? Or
I mean, it can if you wanted it to.
okay.
I don't pull nothing over.
Okay, so what else did you do in the back? Yeah.
I did a full exhaust.
Kaka ida tarania mo.
These are different.
Oh. That
This
hey it changed dinami but there hey.
Yeah.
Okay.
The tailgate's different.
Oh, tailgate
This
for tlangval.
license plate
A license plate
housing
man.
is different. This thing's got 150,000 different lights.
150,000 can be.
Well, that's an exaggeration, but this thing's bright at night.
Oh, eng lut to kani so hey. So how long from the front to the end at top thing hian fit exact nge.
I'd say about 20 feet maybe.
Fit some ni Chhiahtlangah ni chu.
No, it's not that long.
Yeah. And your mom's flowers are pretty. Okay, so but tell me about that house. And shade and sona alo cheto ah. Okay, show me. Kulai ku baiteng tin nge in lak chua dan. Ku all one ku. You pull the whole thing?
Yeah.
Tin nge.
Well, the truck.
Whose truck?
My buddy's.
Okay, so it's bigger.
His truck?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, his truck's bigger than mine.
Chen pa chuan ai truck lian nei ni chu. Chuan apa truck so Logan apa truck so lai so na oma. Ani truck hi an nuam tia hei an om na hi chu ato ber farm bu an ni boka in suk te hianin an han photo ve thina khu. Bite hei han en lok te min han en pui lok te. So in lawn mower ni atro bite. Chuanin okay, let's kulai ku zu en lokang. That's crazy. Throw it there. Chuanin hei an lo nei na rei to ni mina. So you pull this all the way from the other side.
Yeah. It was there. My buddy pulled it all the way.
Oh, a thian pa in he in chu anuk khavek ani chu. Did you take pictures of that?
Yeah, I have a video.
Can I have some of that video?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, kalai kan ke etang. But is it, hopefully it's not up and down. Hey mi hi and a thian pa truck in so mi in te tang son apura. But there go, let's go take a look. So lai so ve enang. An nan thok na sa nia apa nen. Helai zong hey. An han thing an tan veka you chop down the tree branches too, right? But there. Yeah, an thing an eng lo an tit kana sabok si hey. An so me in so helai hian nom thina. So tell me how they bring the eng tin ngen ron lak dan but there min han shil te le.
They bring it on a trailer and kind of tilt the trailer.
Trailer in an ron asaksa hin ron da to pani chu. Hey, at chung the hian chuan but there, can you close the door at the han car lock there? Oh, just one side is fine. Oh, an bung roa, an thom no, an da an turin ya hey. Okay, that's good. Let's go inside. I wanna, yeah. Ma se, hey, violin til da tu la lo shan hem to lu tu ka an lawn mower ten da anga hey. Helai hi. So you're gonna paint, right, or stain?
Just the floor maybe.
Floor?
All
No.
this is gonna stay.
Okay. I mean, it's not gonna wet anyway, right? So it
No,
will.
I mean, it has windows.
Yeah. What I mean is, technically this is like a house. You don't really need to paint this or stain.
No.
Draw.
If you really wanted to get fancy, you could put drywall up.
Yeah.
But we're not gonna do that.
So drywall ang ngay ni nem drop it there. I mean, it's better. Inu in hello sazule snake rule and local china there to wang chuan a drywall that hello there aniam.
Yep. That would be correct.
Okay. Hey, an tom no an da chuan ya. But there's show me your little gym. Hey, ni tin hianin a workout an ya ni po hey kan han a exercise na anin noi a hian ya hey in noi hian kan han kalanga okay hey.
We have everything from the shed in here.
Oh, helai hianin la lut ve kan tro be te pai le nem. Hey, a exercise room ani hi be te han ti chin te le. Oi, look at this. This guy.
Yeah, not crazy.
Okay, so what is this? How much exactly I lift hey be te?
It depends what you're talking about.
Okay. Hey, pa local. So how
It's a
much?
fucking mess is what it is.
It's fine. How much Logan can lift?
That's mine. That's only 100.
Oh, hey, he the timata pata ni
That's
so.
what you warm up with. So that's about 145.
Okay.
Bar, Olympic bar we have is like 45 pounds.
Oh, 45
Pull
pounds.
down machine, he's got about, what, 70 pounds on it already?
Yeah.
Yeah, he got about 70 pounds on the pull down machine.
Yeah.
Bench, these are 30s?
Oh.
35 dumbbells.
An pa anu an pa fa hian an anin
The bench is
exercise na
gone,
sa
that's
chinan niya.
gone, that fucker is gone. Get rid of that damn thing. This thing's gone. Get rid of this.
Oh.
Keep that.
I'll keep all of it. Except for this one.
Okay, can you try one? Just one. I wanted to see you try one.
What do you want me to do?
Whichever you want. Let me.
There's like
Yeah,
here.
something. Like, yeah. Hey, he throw bit.
You throw this with no heart?
Yeah.
No problem. Go ahead and close.
Yeah. Hantit sinte bit. You're going soon, right?
I got a couple minutes before we have to leave.
Okay.
3:30 is the
I will go when you go to. Hey, viali hi a.Dam lawa cancer niya hey recover mega an pain a shwai don ni hi went to sente sen ni dona.
This thing. Gonna sell it.
Oh my god. I was thinking, what the heck is that guy doing here? Oi, hale bit.
See that? Look at that. See that? No. Watch them too.
Oi, but
that goes. That stands.
Hey.
You won't use the tree.
Felin ya, tsakan ya bit hi.
I got a lot of stuff to get out of here.
Wow.
Let's get some stuff out. Yeah. Excuse me.
Okay.
Get some stuff out of here.
So what is that?
It's like 65 pounds.
Oh.
That's mom's wheelchair.
Oh, okay.
Saved it for V.
Oh.